Hello all. Today we will see how to draw a line in different ways. Let's start. This represents the number of columns, or we can say the number of points starting from the 6 points 6, 5, 4, 1. Let us start. First we'll keep 6 points, that is 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us keep 5 points. This is midpoint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 midpoints. Then again upper row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 midpoints. Then 4 midpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to keep 1 point just slightly above the 4 points as shown. Now again 5 midpoints. We have kept already 5 midpoints. This is the middle point. So up, down, left, right, and the center point. So you can see there are 3 points. So I have given 2 points, but there are 3 points, 3 midpoints and 1 center point. So you will write it as 3. Okay. Now again 1 point is already given. Then 1 point you have to keep slightly below the 1 point. Just follow the numbers. Now let's start. Now connect the points as shown. Slowly connect the points, circle the point. Just connect the points as shown. Okay, this is face of the line. Now this is mouth. Just give a curve as shown. Now this is the nose part. This is the nose part. Now we can draw the hair position. Just connect the points. We are actually drawing the male line. So male line has mane. Mane means the outer hair surrounded by the, it is surrounded around the face. So we are drawing the mane. Just connect the points as shown. Just come down, connect it. Connect it. Slightly come down below the second point, connect it. Come down below the second point, connect it. Come down, connect it. Come down below the second point and connect it as shown. Now the line is done. Now we have to draw the eyes. Simple. It's very easy. Shade the nose part. and the mouth. Now you can see the mouth is closed. So this is a simple head, lion's head. Now let us see how to draw the body part and how to draw the lion opening its mouth. We'll see both. And how to draw the line in different ways of sitting. The same points we are going to keep for the line opens its mouth. The same number of points. 2, 6 columns, 5 midpoints, 4 midpoints, 5 midpoints below, 4 midpoints below, up, down, left, right. Now connect the circle. And the circle is going to be somewhat different in the open position. Connect the points as shown. Just connect it. The 6th row and the 6-point row and the 5-point row will be connected here. Now this is mouth. Just connect like this. Now the upper mouth, upper jaw. This is nose. The same method of drawing, only the circle is going to differ in the open position. Same points, same method of drawing, only the circle position, circle part is going to vary here. The otherwise, the main, everything is going to be the same. Same number of points. There is no variation in points. Just connect the main. Connect the points as shown. That's it. Nice. Here, teeth is going to come here. So, as you can see, the lion is opening its mouth, so you can give the teeth, sharp teeth, and this is also can cover it like this. That's it. After coloring, you can see how it looks. Don't forget to draw the ears also. So you can see the lion opening its mouth. Now let's see the body part. Just it's going to come here. Start from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth point slightly. 1 midpoints. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then again midpoint 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 points. Okay. Now above 1, 2. That's it. Now let's connect the points. This is the center point. Just connect as shown. V, like draw as V and this is the class. Can give the inverted inverted U. Just connect. Very, very simple. Inverted U. Connected inverted U's. That's it. Draw the outer curve. Just connect the points. Connect it. Outer curve. Outer curve. Outer curve or a straight line. This is outer curve. Okay. Here you can cover it with the main part, hair part, shown as shown. Now here comes the tail. Just connect. Sorry, there is no connection. Just draw as shown. That's it. Very easy. You can color the line. So this is the center part. I'm going to draw the different position, same points. The front leg is going to come the same points. Only the back part is going to vary here. So front is going to be the same. Inverted U, inverted U. The back is going to differ here. Just keep the points as shown. Middle point, slightly below, keep one point, middle point. Up, down, left, right. Or you can see up, down, left, right. Then straight to this one point. Straight to this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Connect like this. You can see the inverted T. Connect as shown. Connect like this. You can see the line is sitting in a different position. That's it. You can draw the tail as so. Now let's draw the line in another different way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points should be somewhat distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is nothing but the 4 cross 3 columns, but the third row is different. Sorry, 3 cross 4 columns, third row is, you have to start from the second point. Now connect the class. You can see the connection. It's very simple connection. Simple points, easy to understand. Now connect this to the third point. The second point here. Now the back one. Just slightly slant position. 2 points has to be kept in the middle part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 rows, 4 columns. Now slightly above the point, keep one point. Straight to that. This one just slightly slant position. Now keep one point At this slant position, keep 1 point as shown. This is the point. Now, again I will show. Keep 2 points. 1, 2, 3. I mean 2 cross 3, 2 cross 4. The fourth point must be slightly at the distant position and 2 points above the 6th point. Now connect. Start from class. You can see the line is completely resting in the, it's a completing resting position. Now this point is connected with the outer curve, the outer curve. Okay. Now connect with the innermost curve. Connect it. Now here you have to draw as V as shown. Connect the 2 points as V and connect with U. Now draw the class as shown. So V and U, that's it. This is curve V and that is U. V and U. That's it. Now tail. You can cover it with the main. So you can see after coloring. That's it. You can replace the head position with opening mouth. So you can replace the head position also. So hope you enjoy. Thank you.